You are so quick to give up on the business, but you're not giving up on the man, right?
Do you not get the concept?
Guys, it's a Wednesday morning. It is Teacher's Day actually. So we're prepped, of course, as you can see. We went to do a little shopping yesterday. I did some extra stuff because listen, Bashka never have nothing. Not a thing. If it was up to Bashka alone, the teacher then wouldn't get nothing. So I reach home, I get some little nick snacks, like some earrings and some cute little jewelry for them, and I added it to our little gift bag. So we have those to give to the teachers. Are you guys excited to give your teacher gifts?
Yeah, but I want to give Mr. Bora.
Yeah, man, we're going to get some for Mrs. Bora another time. Mrs. Bora is not even his teacher, but he's so attached to her. And this is like the first year that we're actually just getting gifts for their class teacher, because gone are the days we have to get gifts for everybody. We cannot afford that anymore, but I'm gonna get something nice on Mrs. Bora, don't worry. All right, my baby? So I'm gonna drop them off, and then I want to talk to you guys about something special that I'm doing today. All right, but I have to drop off these kiddies first. Them in here all morning in a fight. Jamira try and make fire. Jamir, where are your sticks? Show the people how you make fire, cause kill him dead. You can't come so far, you have to stay around at the back and show them how you make fire. You kill him dead, him can knock two sticks together and make fire. Javi's like, no, don't do that. Javi want to throw some water and I care for him, but you know, I'm gonna try to them cooperate. So
This is gonna be my
I'm
plan.
gonna drop them off.
So you're there to make fire in this beautiful cup.
Javi, please forget.
Shut people's mouth with knives in front of them, but they're thick, and then I will whip it, and then take off my hand.
Not a
and then
pot, no.
Put fire to them.
This little spot looks interesting. Alright, boys, out the seatbelt so Javi can come out.
I am not a boy.
Oh, sorry. Boys and girl. I keep saying boys and forgetting that Zuri is actually here. So let's go, Javi Wavi.
Ah, I'm gonna weaken.
Nope, not today.
No.
Stay in here and catch a fire, alright? With your popsicle sticks. Who taught you how to do that?
I learned it.
From where?
I learned it from camping.
Camping? You went camping? You guys want to go camping?
Yes.
We do have camp gear, you know. Should we go camping, Zuria?
Yes.
Zuria says you want to go camping. Alright, let's go.
I don't want to go to camping.
So you're afraid of wild animals?
Yeah, because I'm gonna die.
No, they're not gonna do anything to you. So we're going camping.
I screamed at Daddy with my ears.
Why?
Because he don't want to go camping like this.
Get off your brother, bro. If he doesn't want to go camping, that's his decision, alright? So we're gonna leave Javi and we're taking Jamir and Zuri. Alright, tell them bye, guys.
Bye. Happy Teacher's Day.
So guys, what I wanted to talk to you about today, I think I mentioned that it was like some top secret thing, but it's not like that. It's basically for business owners. So this segment is for aspiring business owners. So if you're a small business owner in your startup phase, if you're looking to start a business, if you're a busy mom or a busy individual working in 9 to 5 and you just need some supplemental income, something to just, you know, top you up on a monthly basis just in case your 9 to 5 salary isn't enough, then I think you'll be interested in what I'm about to discuss right now. So I have been doing a lot of research, guys, and if you know me, I'm always a research. And most times people might see me on my phone or my laptop listening to some videos and then probably think somebody just did a doom scroll or a waste time or whatever, but your girl is doing research. And a key part of social media or just the online space is while you're consuming the content, because I mean nothing is wrong with consuming content, but ensure that you're taking away something from what you're consuming. So for me, I try to align like my timeline with certain types of content, like business content, mommy content, lifestyle, stuff that I'm interested in and stuff that I can learn from. So most time I'm on the net, the girl is doing research. So speaking from experience as an entrepreneur, I find that here in the island or even overseas, something that I know entrepreneurs like myself face is it's very hard to find like a one-stop shop for like all your business needs. And you might be like, okay, Shanice, that's kind of unrealistic for you to ask because you have so many different people doing so many different things, and nothing is wrong with outsourcing from different avenues. You get different perspective, different prices, whatever the case may be. But hear me out. Not everybody is privy to all of these sources. Not everybody is privy to certain information that is out there. So they might know somebody who, say for example, registers businesses, right? They know somebody who registers the business, they get the business registered, but what do they do from there? There are so many things that goes into the day-to-day operation of a business once it's registered. Once the business is registered, there are so many other steps that nobody talks about, nobody tells you about, not even the people who are registering the business for you. So I want a one-stop shop where it's like you take everything in steps and you move from one step to the other, and you basically set yourself up for success. Because some of these roadblocks that are unavoidable in my opinion, you know, had you had access to information, the advice, whatever the case may be, like we really never have to go through all of these struggles. Personally speaking, some of the struggles I went through, I don't wish I'm my worst enemy, and looking back, I really did not have to, right? Had I aligned myself with the, you know, the requisite establishments to just guide me along the way and, you know, help me to achieve or attain some of my goals a little bit smoother. And they say that smooth seas don't make skilled sailors, but listen, I prefer a smooth sea over here. So that's what I want to go ahead and offer. So it's a one-stop shop where you not only get business advice but business assistance. So it doesn't even start from registering your business, it starts from the conceptualization process, because a lot of time people start businesses simply because, you know, it's trendy, they see other people doing it, they see other people making money from it, but is that business really right for you? So all of those things have to be taken into consideration. So I'm thinking of doing like a consultation session from the get-go to just pick your brains and see like what your ideas are, what type of business you want to start, like just doing enough research to bring to the table for you to see what's lucrative, what's not, what's working, what isn't. And it's just a whole kettle of fish. And I know it's a lot, especially for one person, but I feel like if I can invest the time to build out each stage, then I feel like it will be a world of information, a world of help to individuals like you who may want to start a business but just don't know where to start. And even if you do start, what's next? So that's where I come in as your small business bestie. And if most of you guys have been following me, watching the videos, you'll see that I do post business content. I post it on social media. I'm on Instagram, TikTok at Small Business Success Hub. You can check me out. I do mainly, currently, I offer business consultancy services where I do business registration, business bank accounts, accounting, taxes, bookkeeping, you name it. But as I said, that's just one aspect of business. So I'm looking to create this one-stop shop that encapsulates all of what I mentioned, along with other stuff that I think can help to build a sustainable business. Because I mean, they say that most businesses fail within the first 5 years, and I think that's adequate amount of time to learn your business, learn the ins and outs, fail 1 and 2 times, bounce back, come back even better. So I just implore you to give your business grace. Sometimes if you see that something isn't working, always go back to the drawing board, you know, move some things around and see where you went wrong, what you can do better this time, and just simply don't give up on your business. Because most times we're so quick to give up on the business, but you're not giving up on the man, right? You're not giving up on the man so easily. You're taking back the man, you're running behind the man. Run behind the business, girl. Invest your time in the business, build your business, because an investment in your business is an investment in yourself. So that's the goal right now. If you're interested in said content, follow me at Small Business Success Hub. I offer advice here and there. You can book a consultation with me, and as we speak, I am doing a little test because I don't offer services that I've never done for my own business. And if you know, I have a swimwear business, I have a book publishing business. What else does your girl do? I do VA, I do YouTube, I'm a content creator, I do UGC for companies. Like, all of these avenues have literally thrown me on different paths, and I've learned so many new things. But at the same time, everything that I want to offer, I test it out on my business first. So currently, for my fashion design business, where I do like swimwear vacation pieces, I want to basically build out a website that is shoppable, but it incorporates like videos, images, like so much more than a standard website. I mean, it's in essence it is a website, but just the user capabilities are so much different, I'd say. So I want a different experience. I don't want the typical, you go on a website and you just look through some images, you pick an outfit, you add it to your cart. Like, to me, that's so boring. And when my website was built, I mean, it wasn't the best experience, but I feel like at the end of the day, it was something that I just had to work with. So I just accepted it and move on. So it's not something that I am proud of or in love with. It's not the vision that I wanted for myself. But as I said, you have to start somewhere, because gone are the days I used to sell via the DMs. So the fact that I can now afford to have a website up to meet the needs of my customers, because with a website it comes with so many advantages, guys. I don't know how in this day and age people are still scared of shopping online. I mean, you guys are on Amazon, you're on Shein, you're on all these websites, but when a small business has a website, you're afraid to shop on it because, I mean, you're afraid of being scammed. And I mean, I don't wrong but I'm just saying, give us a little grace every now and then. We're trying to improve ourselves. So it's kind of disheartening when you invest all that money and people are still trying to shop in the DMs. Like, just use the site, please, guys. It's super safe. I always try to reassure my customers of this. Like, I just have so many ideas, guys, but that's what I'm currently working on. So if you're a business owner and you do not have a website for your business, once I'm done with this test for my own business, I want to reach out to at least 3 business owners and actually run the same simulation with their business to see how it would pan out. Because I mean, everything is trial and error, and sometimes we don't really have the capital to invest in some of these things. I mean, we want so much for our business, but sometimes it's just not possible. So if I can help at least 3 business owners, I would love that. So feel free to leave a comment down below with your business page or your email address, and I'll reach out to you and see how best we can move forward. As I said, I want to build a website for you for free and see how it can help your business along. And also I want feedback from you just to see if this is something that is feasible that I can offer to other business owners, and if it really makes sense. So that's basically the stage I'm in now, trial and error, seeing what works, what doesn't. And that's how you get to the good things, guys. You have to try. You can't just sit down and say, oh, this not work, and you just, I want to lizard that. People, there's a lizard in the room. I'm just gonna pretend I didn't see him. He probably came through the window. Please do go back out, sir. Anyway, you're coming here, go back out. Anyways, guys, so yeah, I'm gonna spend at least half an hour every day working at this. I don't know if you guys can see, my calendar is up, and there's just something special or something just so productive when I have my calendars up, because many months have passed that your girl has not even looked at that calendar. And life is lifing. I'm not gonna beat myself up about it. I made a post this morning and I said this is my season of grace and gratitude. I'm gonna give myself as much grace as I can. I'm gonna love on myself as much as I can. I'm gonna big up myself as much as I can, because girl, you're doing the damn thing, right? You're doing the thing. Because if you guys know like the mental state I'm in, sometimes you'd wonder how I even show up on a daily. But to God be the glory. Great things he has done and great things he'll continue to do. So once the calendar up, it's a productive time for your girls. So today is a Wednesday, and Wednesday is dedicated to Small Business Success Hub, and that's what I'm going to be working on before I go and grab the boys. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. I'll keep you updated on what my findings are. And as I said, if you're interested, please leave your name down below, your business page, just a way that I can reach out to you, or say I'm interested. Anything works. So yeah, I'm gonna finish that up now. It's now 11:30. It's Teacher's Day, so school ends at 12. Yeah, so I have half an hour to get this done, and then I can go pick up the boys. So that's the pray.
I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe.
So we've got the kitties, and Jameer has been asking me to get this ragu pizza sauce because he just is obsessed.
Can someone put him in timeout?
Literally obsessed with this pizza sauce. So daddy did not get it this weekend, so I'm gonna run in the supermarket and see if we can get it today. I also need to re-up on some bread. What else we need for the house? So we need the sauce, I need some bread. Oh, we need some rice to cook later. So we need 3 things, guys. So we're going in there for 3 things and 3 things only, right?
Yeah. Mom.
Nobody touch anything. Nobody take up anything.
And mommy, teacher didn't say we could have snack time.
All right, we're gonna eat a snack when they get back in here. So let's run in the supermarket real quick and grab these things and come back.
I got you on my mind. That's a vibe.
So guys, this is the ragu sauce that Jameer loves so much. You have the traditional and you have the homemade style.
Dragon sauce.
Ragu, but ragan, don't touch.
Dragon.
What is it called?
Woo.
Get up off the floor.
Dragon sauce.
Ragoon?
Dragon sauce.
No, it's not a ragu. What's it called, Jameer? It's ragu. So yeah, we usually get the homemade style, and you can use it for like pizza and stuff like that. Come, Javi.
Mushroom sauce.
Where's the mushroom sauce?
Yeah, pizza sauce. That's bread. No, that's not.
All right, pick a bread, please. Just take one of the brown ones.
Open your nose.
Put it in. Thank you. Going to cash out.
That's a vibe.
Made it back to the car, and guys, it's raining outside. Like this rain, I'm not gonna say it didn't come from anywhere because we did see like the dark clouds and everything, but we never expect it to start raining so soon. Don't wipe your hands on the seats, my love. Need napkin. Give me a second. So yeah, guys, the kiddies are having their snacks, and we're just gonna brave it in this rain before it gets any worse. And we're going home to make some little mini pizza.
Yay!
So yeah, we'll catch you when we get home.
Pizza. Yeah.
That's a vibe.
Okay guys, so for our pizza today we'll be using the natural brand hardo bread, and this is sliced of course because who makes bread without slicing it. We also have some sausages, we have our mild cheddar cheese, and this is by far my favorite type of cheese. Also have some butter or ragu pizza sauce, which Jameer is obsessed with. And then for me, we have like some onions, tomatoes, sweet pepper and stuff for my pizza. So we're gonna start off with Jameer's order first. Jameer wants just cheesy sticks, and then he'll have it with the sauce. He doesn't want any toppings on it, just the cheese. So let's do that for him.
That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Omniscient, your presence always so potent around me. I look like sunshine and wind. I smell like success and victory. You know I'm made in his image. Righteous genetics like Arden. So prove it that this is my shot. I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe.
So now we're gonna work on Javi's order. He wants the standard pizza. So we're gonna start off Standard pizza mean it just has the sauce and cheese only. So it's a regular pizza bite. Macaroni and pizza.
Pepperoni.
Oh, pepperoni. Well, we're substituting pepperoni for sausages today. Alright? So he wants sausages on his as well. So after I put on the butter, I then go in with the sauce. Alright, and it's so creamy and nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and layer this with just a spoonful of sauce. You don't want to overdo it because it gets a bit soggy. I remember we put the butter on it. So we're spreading this out. Alright. Come look at it, Javi. Javi, come and look at it. Then we go in with sausage. Going in with some sausages for him. Come and look. What do you think?
I like it.
That's good?
Why are you not frying?
So this is Javi's.
I don't like it. It's not fried.
It's not supposed to be fried. The oven will do the cooking. And last but not least, we're doing mine. And you know I want everything on it. Everything, right? Start off with the butter. Get some sauce. Add my sausages. Looks like you're not going anyways. And I'm gonna go ahead with my seasonings. I love a lot of onions and pepper. I should have gotten pineapples as well, but I totally forgot. Totally forgot, my love, to pick up some pineapples and some mushrooms. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add mushrooms. Next time I make these, I'm gonna pick up some pineapple and some mushrooms. So this is giving vegetarian. Alright. And then I'm gonna top it off with some cheese. So yeah, that's it, and it's looking delicious. Alright guys, so the pizza is finally finished and I'm gonna do a little taste test. As you can see, all the yummy goodness. It's a little bit hot though. Oh my god. Guys, this pizza patty slash pizza bread, whatever. Oh, you rate your pizza?
10 out of
10 out of 10. I give mine an 8 out of 10 because it could be better, but I know what's missing. So the next time I make this, I'm gonna add the secret ingredient, which is the pineapples, of course. For the people who say pineapples don't belong on pizza, listen, We don't need to wait and come again because pineapples on pizza, best thing ever. So yeah guys, I'm gonna grab on this, finish this up, and then I'm gonna do some work. We can catch up back a little bit later. So guys, that is it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in every single week. And if you're an OG viewer, OG subscriber, I want to send you lots and lots of love. I really appreciate it so much because listen, the vlogging thing every week is not easy guys. So yeah, I just want to say thank you for tuning in. Let me know down in the comments which part of the vlog was your favorite. I feel like I know which part it is already, but I'm just gonna go ahead and wait until you comment it and see if I was right. So guys, but there I eat sweetie. Jamir gave me some of his popping candy and it's so addictive. So this is why I don't buy your kids candy, because you end up eating it too. But yeah, as I was saying, I appreciate you guys tuning in, you know, being a part of the Couture fam. And if you have a YouTube channel, go ahead and drop it down in the comments and I'll be sure to head over and, you know, return the support, return the love, because listen, it means the world to me. So yeah guys, thanks again for watching and I'll see you in next week's video, and it promises to be a good one because we're going on a little trip. Well, not too far, it's not really a trip but it's a day out doing something exciting and out of the norm, something I've never done on my channel before. So look out for that and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.